Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of relaxation and creativity with the Still Life Color by Number book, designed for adults, seniors, teens, and kids alike. This coloring book offers a delightful escape into the art of still life, where each page invites you to bring beautiful images to life with your own personal touch. Whether you're an experienced artist or just looking for a calming activity, this book provides a perfect balance of challenge and relaxation. The easy-to-follow number system ensures that anyone can create stunning works of art, regardless of skill level. It's a wonderful way to unwind, reduce stress, and explore your artistic side, making it an ideal choice for family bonding or solo relaxation. So grab your favorite coloring tools and let your imagination flow as you transform these pages into vibrant masterpieces. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.